Hey, if you're thinking about going into engineering or any STEM degree, you've probably asked yourself, how smart do I have to be to actually graduate? Let's break it down.
When you picture someone studying engineering, what comes to mind? Probably someone sharp, analytical, maybe even a little nerdy, right? And while that stereotype isn't 100% accurate, there is some truth to it, because these degrees do deal with complex, high-level material. So, how smart is smart enough? According to a consulting article, engineers typically have an IQ around 115 or higher, which is one standard deviation above average. To put that in perspective, most people score between 90 to 110, so 115 puts you at the top end of average. And a study from the University of Wisconsin found that the average IQ across engineering professions is about 120. So what if your IQ isn't quite there? Are you out of luck? Absolutely not. The big question becomes, can you improve your IQ or mental abilities? The good news, yes, you can. Research from the University of Sydney showed that with consistent mental training, study participants boosted their IQs by up to 15 points. And a 2018 study found that IQs increased by an average of 5 points for every year of education, regardless of age. That means your brain is always capable of growing and adapting, even into adulthood. This is all thanks to something called neuroplasticity. But let's be real, IQ isn't the full story. Things like emotional intelligence, social skills, work ethic, mental discipline, all play huge roles in how successful you'll be, especially in school and beyond. So, here's the main takeaway: engineering isn't just for geniuses. It's for anyone willing to put in the work to close the gap between where they are and where they need to be. If you're bad at math now, it doesn't mean you'll always be. If physics or chemistry feel impossible, that can change. So, are you smart enough to be an engineer? Yes. Because it's not about how smart you are now, it's about how much effort you're willing to put in. If you stay consistent, work hard, and keep pushing, you can absolutely do it. If you found this helpful, go ahead and hit that like button, and check out my book. It's a step-by-step roadmap for getting through any degree, especially STEM. It covers everything from building mental discipline, handling stress, time management, and boosting exam performance. Links are in the description below, backhand index pointing down. Thanks for watching, and as always, keep up the good work. You've got this.